Hello, everyone, and welcome to this lecture. In this lecture, I will be covering some of the hot areas in AI. This would be a very short video, and I will try to disclose some of the very key areas of research in the field of AI. It's good to know for those people who are interested in the research in the future. So this can definitely be beneficial, and of course there are lots others as well, apart from which I will about to tell you. So without wasting much time, and let's get started. So some of the interesting areas you might like to look at in the field of AI is one of them, of course, is machine learning, which is great a research area in which you can work on a lot of things, which could be, for example, in healthcare and medical diagnosis. You can do a lot on contribution in the stock market trading, online fraud detection. Especially the machine learning techniques are used for anomaly based attacks, where the nature of the or the feature of the malware is unknown to the user, and how we can use an AI powered machine learning algorithms to find out the anomaly based attacks. And you do a lot on speech recognition. You can do a lot using machine learning with the self-driving cars, and lot more in this field. And of course in computer vision and image recognition is also one of the very hot area in the field of machine learning technology. And the deep learning, of course, this is also coming under umbrella of AI, which is a very important and interesting area to look at. So some of the application you can work on deep learning include the chatbots. So like the research could include how you can improve the semantics and how you can improve the user interaction to the chatbots. So you can work on how to make it more user interactive and more efficient than it is right now and what it was in the past. And deep learning is also widely used in self-driving cars, and various visual translations, and some prediction analytics in businesses. It's and also it's used in CBIR, content-based image retrieval. Well, I'm working on the medical image retrieval, so of course deep learning is one of the important part, which is based on the neural network, like convolutional neural network, or it's called CNN. And another area to look at, you might like to read about it, is robotics. So robotics is also one of the great area to research, which includes various applications. How you can make the robots so clever using AI technology, which could be beneficial for agriculture, automobile, in the autonomous cars and constructions. Of course, robotics is more like for those tasks which are really hard for a normal human to do. So who like something which robots can do in a very severe environment where the human is hard to like humans have they have certain limits to work on a certain environment, where robots are machines, so we can research and work on a certain area or application, how we can use the robots to replace the human work and make the scenario for the companies more effective in terms of cost, time, and efficiency. So computer reinforcement learning is one of the very important and booming area, and you can have a look. So reinforcement learning is a little bit about, it comes under machine learning, of course. If you might aware of like supervised learning and unsupervised. Like supervised learning is a task driven, unsupervised is data driven. For example, it is triggered by the data. And reinforcement learning is, on the other hand, learn from mistake. So it's based on agent and application and state and action phases, where the thing where the the enhancement of the state is taken place, and it is widely been researched, and its applications are not only limited to healthcare and education, but also it's been used in computer vision, computer games, robotics, and natural language processing, NLPs, and other business managements as well. Recommender system, important topic, very hot area, and very good, interesting to research and look at. So it includes a search engine. It depends on you can research how user interaction and user behavior can improve the recommendation to the users itself, might be by monitoring their feedback, or in some different means how you can make the system more recommended to the users to enhance the user experience is also an important and interesting to look at. And the last one I would say is interactive user-centered design. I have spoken in my last series of my lectures, where I have mentioned about how the user-centered design can potentially be improved in the future. I have mentioned about augmented reality, virtual and mixed reality. So these are user-centered. This would be a future, like e-learning, how it will be moving towards user-centered by using technologies of AI, which could be combined with augmented reality and mixed reality. So these are some of the key areas to look at, and of course there are a lot more apart from them as well. So if you guys are interested, or if you want any more information apart from these topics, please don't hesitate to contact me, and I would do my best to guide you or tell you from my experience for the students who would like to be interested in the research in the future. So that's all for this lecture. Hope you had a good time and you had enjoyed this series, and see you next time. Thank you.